Hey everyone, this is David and Ninette with Tigner Adventures, and we found another little quirky to check out here. It is the National Wasp World War II Museum. We're going to check this all out. This is an aircraft museum. This is the ladies that flew in World War II. So, don't know much about it other than that, so we're going to go check it out. We are coming into the museum. They have a gift shop over here to the right. And then all this information here that we're going to check out and try to figure out what these guys did. Because this was a big thing back in World War II because women weren't allowed to do much of anything, it seemed like. And so the fact that they actually got to fly the airplanes, this is the only way they could become pilots. And so that was a big transition for them. As you go around the museum, there's numbers on the floor, and this tells the story. So you follow the numbers around the museum. And there are 2 hangars in this museum. So we'll go in hangar 1, and then we'll go out into the other hangar where the planes are. So the very first number talks about Pearl Harbor. So right after Pearl Harbor, there was such a manpower shortage and everything that they created the women's Air Force basically to ferry planes and to do other things within the United States. So that's what their job was. So a lot of pictures talking about the history, just kind of laying it all out, how it all started and how it progressed. So you want to fly the plane, dear?
Yeah.
Okay. Ninette has got into the plane. Ninette's mumbling. She's trying to take a fast course in how to fly this plane.
There's nothing going. Okay, so what do?
Push the throttle forward.
Parking brake engaged. Where's the parking brake?
Is your feet on the brake?
Well, they're on the brake.
Well, before it said push B, so if you push B, does the brake go off? Okay. Release parking brake. Oh, now you're going. Here she goes.
So am I supposed to pull up?
I would think at some point you got to get throttle going.
Uh-oh.
Go. Push forward along. Give it full throttle.
I might crash.
Full throttle.
Oh, shit. Just fly what?
Full throttle. Go to the left. Oh, okay, go up. Full throttle. Full throttle first.
Shut up. I'm on full throttle.
Oh, okay. Well, you're upside down.
Just set the
Incorrect heading indicated.
Okay, now what do you do?
So with your feet, remember. So fly all the way forward, all
With
hard.
my feet?
No, your hand all the way forward.
All right, I'm
Now use your feet to keep going down, straight down the runway. Yeah,
shit.
see? Okay, go over to the right a little bit. Oh, look at that. Pull back on the throttle.
Oh my God.
Pull back, straight back on the throttle.
This is why the kids don't like to play with me again.
Pull back on the throttle. There you
Okay.
go. Yeah, now you're going to take off. Oh, there you go. Not up too far. Yep, keep going. Not. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, there you go. Okay, over to the left a little bit. Throttle to the left.
Throttle. One angle below.
I mean, not throttle, the joystick.
I don't know how it goes.
There you go. That's leveling you back out again. Usually it's really easy to get off the ground. It's getting back on the ground. That's tough.
Go back.
Well, alive anyway. Okay, push down, push down. Okay, yeah, pull back on the throttle. Pull back on the throttle. This.
Uh-oh. Well,
Whoa.
that's one
A
way to get down.
nosedive. That's one way to get down.
There we go.
Well, how's it feel? Did you graduate?
No.
You died? Pillows were used by the wasp who were petite and needed a little help to reach the petals and see. So this is what they put on to sit on.
So it depends on how tall they are and how many cushions up.
A lot of brave women here. Flying would be a lot of fun. It was nice that they all jump in where they were needed to help out. Back in that day and age, everybody was involved in the war. So in the 1950s, over there on the left, and then the women moved up. Now we're clear up to 2020. Look at this. A lot of women involved in the program these days. A little different. Now they are doing all kinds of things where back then they were a little limited, but now they get to do pretty much anything they want. All right, look at this sticker. Pen on your big girl wings and fly. Ninette doesn't get this one because she crashed. Let's see, what about this one? Same kind. So this one here is the one that she really likes. So this is going on her water bottle. Here is the second hanger. So we're supposed to start over here. They do have a video. Boy, this video is a lot better than the one.
This airfield received its name when the local newspaper held a contest open to the whole town.
This is pretty cool.
The winning entry was based on a poem that referenced the need to avenge Pearl Harbor, and thus Avenger Field was born. Avenger Field is home to the Women Air Force Service Pilots Training Program.
25,000 women applied to become pilots, and they only accepted 1,800. So it was a difficult deal getting in, and then once they did get in, they had 500 hours of flying they had to do. So they really put the time in to learn how to do all this. So that's pretty cool, pretty impressive. All right, this is the actual hangar. Wow. We got a couple planes in here. I don't think Ninette's going to have to try to fly these. And it says right there, do not touch. They don't want to land on their nose. But hey, you have to give it to Ninette. Give it up for her because she at least tried. The Avengers hangar here, or airfield, is in Sweetwater, Texas. And look at these planes. Pretty impressive planes. Nice conditions too. Always amazes me how small these Jeeps are compared to what we drive these days. But this is the airplanes they flew. Oh no, someone took off with one of the planes. They say these planes are active planes. They fly these today, so one of them is off on maneuvers.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. My name is Betty, and I'm just about ready to go out for my flight training today. And boy, is it going to be a hot one. Our 10th day of temperatures over 100 degrees. This is Elizabeth and Shirley here behind me. Hi. Hello. Hi. They are fairly new arrivals who are headed to ground school in their oversized new flight suits, or zoot suits as we like to call them.
They're definitely
They only come in
oversized.
men's size 44 long from surplus, because the Army isn't going to spend money on new clothes for us girls. This is our home away from home, our bay. It's the room where we sleep, study, and fall on our faces dog-tired at the end of the night. There are 6 of us in each bay with a bathroom that connects us to another one. This means there are 12 of us sharing 2 sinks, toilets, and showers. And if that's not bad enough, there's no air conditioning in here and a never-ending supply of dust that settles over everything. Our blankets, clothes, and
That's
sometimes
because the
even our
wind
teeth.
never stops
Can you
blowing
imagine?
here.
Sometimes we drag our beds outside for some cooler air and sleep under the stars with the snakes. But I really am grateful for this opportunity. When I got my invitation to join the WASP, I was worried about having to spend so much time with other women. What if we didn't get along? But the Army keeps us so busy, we don't have time for distractions. Oh, I should have told you. A typical day of training for us includes both ground school and flight school. Ground school includes physical fitness training and classroom lessons in courses like hydraulics, meteorology, Morse code, aerodynamics, physics, and things like that. It's pretty easy for me since I went to college. But it's hard for some of the younger girls who haven't had as much school. Flight school is where we learn how to pilot the best training planes the Army has to offer. It's my favorite part of the day. I better be heading out. I'm scheduled to fly my Bobcat solo trip to Oklahoma City today. Wish me luck. While you're
Good
in Sweetwater,
luck.
you're going to have to be careful, especially when walking out to the tarmac. And remember to watch for those snakes. Well, enjoy your day and explore our hangar. Bye.
So excited. Bye. Well, it's been a long day, and we have seen a lot of good stuff today. And this is the Wasp Museum, and we've had a lot of fun here. So, and we got to see Ninette fly a plane. Well, okay, never mind. She tried to fly a plane, but you know, for 5 minutes instruction, she did darn good, didn't she? I mean, you guys need to comment about that. I mean, I think she did really good, and I mean, we didn't give her her wings, but she did get a sticker. Yeah, so at least she has something to go on her water bottle. So anyway, it's pretty cool. We had fun. Hopefully you guys did too. So this is some place to come to. It costs $10 to get in for an adult. If you're a veteran, you get in for $8. And if you're a child, you know, we have the costs right here. They don't have a senior citizen discount, but you know, the $10 wasn't bad. So the video in hangar number 2 is much better than the first video that we watched in site number 1 over in the other hangar. So that's still kind of the old, you know, like the old reel that played during the old times. This one and this hangar in hangar number 2 is all brand new, and everything in here is all brand new. So it had,
it's enhanced somehow.
yeah.
Yeah. Hear it.
Yeah, it had some of the stuff, but the video was much better shape and everything. So it was pretty cool. It's pretty fun to see what they actually did and the support that women had in the war effort.
Yeah.
I mean, it was
There's
a
bunch of tough women.
yeah, and you know, everybody was involved back in that time. You know, everyone was needed. And with that said, we're going to go ahead and end this adventure. So thanks for coming along, and hope you learned something. You definitely want to plan to come and visit here on your, this is, where was this? This is Sweetwater, Texas. So come by and see this.
Right next to
Roscoe, Texas. That's right. So anyway, if we don't see you down the road somewhere here, then hopefully we'll see you on our next video. So take care.
Bye.